Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka Dorbar Snong Rivyang West Khasi Hills, Haringkat ka Hanyo Tribute Council West Khasi Hills, haka arpu artrik unailor arajar arpulai, kilalat ban khangno ye ka jaka trekam, bat ka karkhana sanynar Harivyang. Kate ka jinglai khang jong ka Dorbar Snong bat ka HYC kate ka karkhana, kade hadin baka wi ka longkami ka ban ka Snong Rivyang West Khasi Hills, kabala donru laingut ki khon, kala ja na la Snong nado ka khatn reo trik unailor, ya kabala suba jorru baka ni ka longkami, kala leit lang bar ubai barjella ya ubala tip kerteng kumu mridul bora ubare nong trai jong karkhana shakhambari ferro alloy company Rivyang usordar kasnong Rivyang uba e dekhar habaya kren mat gilat pathai khubor ulaong banakalyang jong kasnong Rivyang haringkat ki bahiyeng hasem jong ka longkemi kiralait ban ujor nage ejahar hathanat nongston halor ka jingja jong ka longkemi haringkat utai barjella nado ka sngi le thoru bakasnong ka arphautrik unailor kalalait banya kren bat ki bor penyat jong ka karkhana bakin wanra ye ka longkemi bat kasnong kala khang talano swa ye ka jaka trikam jong ka karkhana teka jingthmu bakate ka karkhana kan simkhia ban wat badru ban wanra ye ka longkemi hinre ka arphu waitrik pat kate ka jaka trikam jong ka karkhana kala pli biang shishu ka snong haringkat ka Hanyo Tribute Council West Khasi Hills haka arphu artrik unailor kila lech ban khang tala biang ye ka jaka trikam jong ka karkhana haka bakila penpau baki bor penyat kim pat la ban wanra ye ka longkemi bat kim teng ban khang ye ka karkhana habaya keren bat ki bor penya jong ketika karkhana kila ong baki kloy banya trelang bat ki bor snong ban wat bat ru ban wanra ya ketika longkumi Henry Helor ketika jingja kum ke karkhana kam shimla don jingtip ai namar bo teu barjala udai uba ila ithu ithau bha bat ketika longkumi ha ki kam ki badai shabar jong ke jingtip ke karkhana
Durchgeprang!
Spijkerie!
Durchgeprang!
Spijkerie!
Durchgeprang!
Spijkerie!
If you want to cooperate with us, then for the village, so please shut down the factory till the women start here. Biar yang ada?
Biar. Kamu itu lemah.
Kamu itu last time group dan belum. Pukul police.
Police is FIR already been done by them. Police is in contact with me. They asked us what is the status. The day they had blocked police was already they were here in time.
Well, actually, according to the agreement, if you cooperate with the village, then you should not allow the police to work out the law. Because you have cooperate with the villages. You see, from the villages, according to the agreement, they want to cooperate. But you don't accept it. So, if you accept it, then you must cooperate with them. You know how to build the law. Then now, if you cooperate with them, so let's shut down the factory. Let's shut down the factory. For a while. Okay. Just for a while. So that the owner of the company, there is equal responsibility to bring back the men and the women who have run away from this place. Then after that,
This has been happened. Then we immediately cooperating with the villagers and also police came here and they had making the joint discussion with the local village and police and company and immediately next day with police we went to Bako, his residence and his residence is under the Soigaon police station. Then the Longstoin police and border police thana, it is a Manakata police thana and Soigaon police thana, all the three thanas people along with me went to the boy's house. And he has wife, two children, his mother and father. Police interrogated lot of question to them and tried to sketch the where is the boy. But the family members, the headman of the village and the other villagers, nobody knew where was the boy. And till today, they do not know where is the boy because his mother called me and asked me whether we have got any information or not. Secondly, we have no alternative. We do not know where he is, whether he is in Assam, whether he is in Meghalaya or any other state. There is no traceable because he has two mobile phones, all are switched off. So we do not know. We are cooperating with the village. In spite of that, villagers are Villagers came and locked our office and locked our store. Then what we can do? We can take the help of police. We inform the police district administration. It is bound that something unrest going on for the sake of the property and for the sake of the life of the people here. So we have informed the local administration, and they sent the patrolling party, and patrolling party came and unlocked the office. But store is still locked. And today's development, that they came today, they locked this thing and forcefully they shut down our industry. So we are helpless because we are working here for the industry. If a driver did some misdeed and take a woman, she is also married lady from the local village. So it is a joint effort. We are giving our full effort. Meghalaya, where we can give the effort, but local people give the more effort to do this thing. But instead of that, we have been given the so pressurized that we have to bring the boy. But is it possible for us or like people like us who are working in this area to go out and bring the boy? Because he is untraceable. We have no information at all. And police has not also got any information. His family has not got any information. So he knows that the boy knows Khasi, the boy knows Assamese, though he is a Boro boy. He is also tribal from Assam. He knows Khasi and he has a very strong relationship with the village. It is not one day effort. It is not a one day matter. It is a long-term association and long-term relationship with the villagers. Very well than us, because he is our driver. We do not have, he is doing his duty, we are the administrator. That is our relationship. In spite of that, he did this thing without our knowledge. But villagers know, local people knows it very well. Because he knows Khasi, he has a good relationship, strong relationship with all the villagers than us. Because we do not know the local language.
Maka jangan tu kau warapai simple di arnah tay, arnah tay di mun tay lah dah tak di lapat, tak saya dah ada yang tu saya support asin asin dan saya kubur dah ada dapat dia ada. Ini kalau ba wanrak cua tak beri jangan kan, misal libiang, rai aku kali yang pada long lah bala dunbor minit pergi yang bala. Don iba personal ni bawan nemo, bawan lagi tu itu salah, bala let manos mungkin kita tahu.
Diminta mendapat bala peli.
Kita mening jenmet.
Ulang apa dia berkani ke jingjak jong kani ka. Iklamong ni
Yang ni terlang ini lagi buat lang. Dan mening pada tempat bawa don dia beri orang semua. Kita lagi makin kita lagi lami nanya tu. Lambat polis. Sekarang lambat tu nama dia cak lang agak juga sini deh. Tapi rumyo dengan don lagi suspek entah. Situ nama.
វាដុនជាងទុអ៊ីថាវាកាយយ៉ាបទីคนឆ្នងคนเท่า
Itu nomor 1 bam reson baca. Maka ditekan kita kan saya
តែនោះស្នាមមូលដុនទៅព្រឹកនេះក៏មិនជួយ
Laisnan latam.
Kata ka beri buat kebaca kalau kami ni ke kena ni ke
Kalau kami.
Lain bukti.
Lain bukti.
don keparo.
Bagus.
Te hato kamde ka don kadinya de si samla biki kamde mutat ka.
Nanti dikatakan. Jawa apa ngora suaka.
No onglam.
Nila ban kala bantu. Jadi ada kimuan ra.
Ayaw tu unok train. Anak ya jagung.
Bangkat ba 4 wara to beri kumut kang baik.
Hadin pa nakaliang jongki noi lam snong hang ni kila phun yang ni ba ka naru mesti sajan kala ja ka we kalong kumi hang ni te hadin bangi lakli ba yong ba weru nakaneka factory yang ni nong tre yang nika tiro aloi hang ni riang uja lah hang tak po te nakaliang jongi dilawan ban kali naka nadu di bayung bersam liang ka snong ru nakaliang jongi kila jawab ba kintip balai gajah badhai gajah te lase bagade ke jingkit nap jongnu ki batrai khamtam to we baja nak ni ka factory te nagliang jongi ka sang ngilakli ka nagliang ya ka snong ke ka senjam ka snong ka sim te nagliang ka snong ki ong ba ka senjam ka la sim dar snong ka long bakin khang factory hadu bakin dawan ra pat ya ta ka long kumi jong ka sinong hak ni ka sinong hang ni rupiah te ki ong men sisngi kila wan khang ni factory rai menin kila pun changi ki ong ba nagliang ngimtip la ka police department la ni ka nagliang jong ki try jong factory kila pli biang ya ta ka tala ka bala khang da ka sinong te nagliang jong ngi wan hak ni ko por ngi wan ban khang ya ka factory hang ni kila ong ru pada wan sange no ban trai bat ngi munta kila shutdown gi machine ru te nagliang jong ngim dan kanu ko bangin ong hendai ta ko we gelong ba kanai ka factory ha bakawan ban trai hang ni ka de ban burom ya ki kendon jong ka sinong nadu ka agreement ka balai soi ha ka spotrik munai balai arja sipau kala de ban yate ba kinu ki jeng kin ya perkhat lang rek ba sosi long la ka sinong kawan ha kini bru jong factory hang ni kim kren kim pensai kile bum sinyo kile he ya kata tenak liang jungi kum kasang ni wan hang ni khang no factory tat hadu ba de ban pen phai biang ya ta ka bru jungi ba la ja hang ni te khnang ba hadin kata nak liang jungi ka song sa ka snong ban perkhan ba ngi super sa nak snong de jungi kala poi ka bru hang ni lagi pli ru ek tang nak liang jungi nom terklat bai menta long ki de ban le kata benta te ngi la kliru nak bahayang masam kila IFR Shak Police Department inget ikerpat Police Department ru kan penkloi 6 taban wat ni para dok persnam nomor yo kidnap yo JIA kini ka bru hang ni po snong manu ban bakli te ada ngila kli ka factory kala na ban bakli lar ka ong factory kamla ban bakli te sange shwa ban trai tat hadu bangin dayu i yak dalung kui kan phai